Here is the 2025 Sea Ray 190 SPX. This has got the Sea Ray blue hull on the side and then the dune interior. Why don't we go ahead and take a look on the interior. All right, the 19 SPX is one of my favorite boats, so let's take a look at some of those features. First of all, the 19 SPX is an 8.4 beam, so a nice wide beam for a 19-foot boat. We've got sea deck all the way around in the back and all the way through the floor in the interior. You've got the nice captain chair, and then you have the reverse seat for your co-captain. We've got storage all over, storage in the floor, storage throughout. Nice big comfortable bow. You got the Fusion stereo in this boat, and then the Simrad system in this as well. Chair with the bolster. Got a nice cooler underneath there, and then this boat has the 4.5 liter 200 horsepower Mark. This boat's here at our Rogers location. Come take a look.